Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember our previous discussion on application control concept and file filter. I hope it's clear. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So with application control, we can work with application signature database, and with file filter, we can work with file extension or file type. Now we are trying to focus on next. We are trying to focus on next security profile option. Next security profile option is called antivirus profile and web filtering concept. Let's focus on these options: web filtering security profile and antivirus security profile. So what is web filtering concept? In Fortinet, you can say web filtering. In Palo Alto, you can say URL filtering. In Cisco Firepower, you can say URL option. Okay, in Checkpoint, you can say URL filtering concept. So in web filtering, what we can do, we can work with URLs. Mohammed, Amit, can you please help me? In case, my point is what? My question is what? If I want to block this URL, is it possible with application control?
No, sir.
If I want to block this URL, I don't know anything about this URL, okay? I don't know anything. I just want to block this URL. So is it possible with application control? No.
No, sir.
In application control, what we have in application control, we have application signature database, predefined application signature database. Okay, and behalf of signature database, signature data, your Fortinet can detect particular application. But here I'm talking about specific URL. Okay, if I want to block this specific URL, or in case if you are looking for URL category, okay, every website has a category. Every website has a category. For example, if you want to check any website category, so you can go with FortiGate website check. You can open this URL fortigate.com/web filter. You can open this fortigate.com/web filter. Here you can get the detailed information about any URL. This is Fortinet database, but we have multiple third-party vendor, Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Multiple third-party vendor. Okay, for example, Bright Cloud is very popular. If you want to know about any website detail information, any website detail information, you can open Bright Cloud. Palo Alto, Cisco, they were using this Bright Cloud, but now they have their own database. But now, in earlier days, they were using this Bright Cloud third-party vendor. Okay, to know about any URL detail information. For example, if you type www.facebook.com, okay, you can click on lookup, so it can give you the detailed information. For example, web reputation about this URL, and this URL is a part of social networking category. It's a social networking category website. No infection past 12 month, high popularity, 131-month old. So you can get detailed information about any URL, any website. But Fortinet is using like Palo Alto. In Palo Alto, we have PanDB Cloud. In Palo Alto, okay. In Fortinet, they are using their own database. Okay, they are using their own database. What you can do if you want to verify any URL information, for example, let's copy this URL and I can paste it here. So if you want to know about this particular URL detail information, so you can see this URL is a part of file sharing and storage category website. Okay, file sharing and storage category website. So in case if you want to work with any specific URL or URL category, you can go with web filtering profile. Let me show you web filtering profile. Let's try to access. Let's try to access our FortiGate firewall device. Now you can go into your security profile, you can click on web filtering, and here we have two predefined profiles, everyone. Here we have two predefined web filtering profile. You can see this default one and one more profile, one more web filtering profile is called monitor all. If you go into your default profile, default web filtering profile, so you can see into this default web filtering profile, some categories are blocked. See, adult and mature contents are block. See, for some categories, it's allow. So for some category, it's a monitor. So here in default web filtering profile, we have some default action. Now, if you click on this monitor all web filtering profile to, so you can verify into this profile, into this monitor all profile, every category, every website category is on monitor action. So either you can use this default one or you can go with monitor all. But in case if you want to create your own, where you can take your action as per your requirement, so you can create your profile. You can click on create. You can give a name for this profile like application control, for example, for new team 5. Now you can see into this web filtering profile, you can go with category based filter. You can go with allow user to override any block categories option. In case if you are looking for any specific URL, so you can go with static URL filter concept. Let's start our discussion with FortiGuard category based filter. So you can enable this option. If you enable, so you can see we are getting a warning page. So we don't have license, okay, onto this device. This is testing scenario. Okay, this is testing scenario. So you can do all your practical, but with limited data. Clear my point, Amit,
Yes,
Mohammed?
sir. Yes, sir.
In case if you want to block any latest URL, latest malicious link, latest application, so you need to buy license. You need to download latest URL or URL category information. So here we are getting a message, warning message. This device is not licensed for the FortiGate web filtering services. So traffic may be blocked. No problem. We can do our testing. So you can see here we have some categories. See. So in FortiGate, we have website categories. These are the categories. For example, bandwidth consuming. If you go with bandwidth consuming category, so you can see freeware and software download, file sharing and storage category website, streaming media and download category website, peer-to-peer file sharing category website. So if you right click on any category, you can take these actions: allow, monitor, block, warning, authenticate. So allow, monitor, and block. It's the same. Remember our application control discussion, Mohammed, Amit?
Yes, sir.
So allow, monitor, and block action is same. Okay, if you allow any category, it means inside user can access, inside machine can access, and I don't care. I don't want to monitor. I just want to allow. If you want to monitor, okay, if you want to log, if you want to verify the log information, if you want to monitor your information, you can go with monitor. It means this time traffic is traveling, but you are monitoring this particular website. You can go with block option. It means I'm trying to block this complete category. You can go with warning page, warning option. So if you click on warning, here you can define time interval. In warning action, you can define time interval. It means, yes, you are allowed to access. Yes, you can access streaming media and download category website, but you are only allowed for 2 hours, 5 minutes. Click on OK. So inside machine will get a warning page. Yes, you can access, but you are only allowed for 2 hours, 5 minutes. Clear my point? This warning
Yes,
page,
sir.
Mohammed,
Yes.
you
Yes,
can go
sir.
with authenticate option. You can go with authenticate. It means only particular group can access this streaming media and download category into this profile. Into this profile, only particular group can access, and this group is only allowed for 2 hours 5 minutes, for example. Okay, let's create a group. See how to work with user account and group account. We'll discuss in detail in this topic, FortiGate AD, or you can say firewall authentication concept. We'll discuss in detail how to create user account or group account in local database, or in case if you have any remote authentication servers like Radius, TechX, or LDAP. So how to integrate, I will show you. I will tell you here. But here for basic lab, yes, you can create your group. For example, you can click on create. So I'm creating a group. It's called marketing-grp1 type firewall. So yes, it's a firewall group members. So yes, I can create user account. You can click on create. You can click on user. We can create user account. So you can see by default, this option is selected. By default, it means we are creating user account in local database. If you have any remote authentication servers like Radius, TechX, or LDAP, you can select these options. But no problem. Right now, we can create user account in local database. You can click on next. You can create user account here. So user 5, for example, password 123. Click on next. Next, submit. You can add your user account. You can click on add. You can add your group account. So this group can access. This group can access, but he's only allowed for 2 hours 5 minutes. Clear now my point? So these are the actions, everyone. Allow, monitor, block, warning, and authenticate. Amit, any question?
Yes, sir.
Mohammed?
Yes, clear.
Clear now? So right now, let's go with block option. Okay, I'm trying to go with category-based filter option. So streaming media and download category website, I want to block. File sharing and storage category, block. Let's go with general interest. So I want to block all entertainment category website. In my organization, I want to block all job search category website, news and media category website. These options are not available in application control. That is the difference. Mohammed, Amit.
Yes, sir.
That is the difference. Okay, these options are not available in application control. In application control, you have applications. Here we have website categories. So like news and media. So I don't know which application is a part of news and media, which website is a part of news and media, but I want to block. Yes, you can block. Social networking category website, I want to block. Political organization website, I want to block. Shopping category website, I want to monitor. Sports category websites, I want to monitor. So you can take a action, okay, and you can click on OK. So this is category-based filter. You can right click on any category and you can take action. So now what we can do, we can attach this profile. We can add this profile, web filtering profile, with our policy. So I'm trying to enable web filtering option. Our profile name is for marketing team 5. And if you are working with web filtering, so in SSL inspection, you have to go with certificate inspection. What is certificate inspection? If you enable certificate inspection, so firewall can check expired certificate information, valid certificate information. So whenever you are adding web filtering, you have to add certificate inspection. Now you can click on OK. Now we can try to initiate our traffic. For example, from inside machine, I'm trying to access shopping category website. I'm trying to access social networking category website or political organization website. You can try. IP address, we can verify IP address. We are using ipconfig 200.267. Let's try to access any social networking category website. For example, MSN is a social networking category website. We can try to access any other facebook.com, this URL I'm trying to access. So this inside machine will get a response page. If it is blocked by firewall policy, this inside machine will get a response page. See, everyone,
Yes, sir.
Amit, Mohammed.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
this response page is for inside machine. But you as a firewall administrator, how you can verify? If someone will hit on your profile, how you can verify? So you can again go into the login report. You can click on web filtering, and here you can see all the logs. So you are trying to access this particular URL, and it is block. This is source IP address, and it's a block by policy ID 1. Clear now? You can get the detailed information, date and time information. Clear now, Mohammed? So you can
show the name also.
Sorry,
It can show the name as well also.
name, policy name.
Yeah, if you no, if you have a user is inside and they want to access outside, yeah.
If you have
And that's
you have a user inside,
yeah.
okay, you want to access, you want to access through user account.
Yeah, that's I mean
Yes,
that way. Yeah.
see, I will tell you, I told you, I will show you this option in FortiGate AD, okay?
Okay, all right. Okay, thank you.
Here, I will show you how to work with user account, how to access resources with user account. I will show you.
All right, thank you.
Right now, we are working with only IP address. Okay. Amit, clear for you? Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let's go on to the profile again, and you can go into your profile, and this is what category based filter. So into this category based filter, you can see, you can just right click on any category and you can take action. So you can see as per your configuration, into this profile, all entertainment category website is blocked. All job search category websites are blocked. News and media, social networking category websites are blocked. It's a block for everyone. Now, in case in my organization, there are sales team and marketing team, okay, and so they want to access social networking category website. Then, so here is the option: allow users to override block categories. Clear this option? What we have? Allow users to override what? Block categories. So you can just enable, and you can provide this option. See, you can provide this option, group that can override. So which group can override this block categories? So yes, I have a group. For example, I have a group, marketing group. Marketing group can override this block categories. If they will override this block categories, so which profile they can utilize? Yes, I have a predefined profile. Remember, monitor all. Remember our predefined profile, monitor all?
Yeah.
So this monitor all we can attach here. So whenever marketing group is trying to go outside, they will override this block categories. They can utilize this profile option. Clear my point, everyone? Mohammed, Amit. So you can go with FortiGuard category-based filter. You can go with allow user to override your block categories. Now, in case if you want to work with any specific URL, because with this option, you are trying to block complete URL category, complete category. But in case if I want to work with any specific URL, for example, I want to allow www.facebook.com, or I want to allow message.facebook.com. So in case if you want to work with any specific URL, you can go with static URL filter option. What you can do, you can enable URL filter option. See, in URL filter, you can click on create new, and here you can define your specific URL. Here you can define, you can see here we have simple option, or you can go with regular expression or wildcard. So simple type means what? Simple URL. For example, I have a URL www.facebook.com. So you can select type simple action. In action, you can see exempt, block, allow, monitor. You can select any action. For example, I want to allow. You can click on OK. So like this, you can add your specific URL with simple type. You can add your specific URL. You can take an action. You can click on OK. What is a regular expression and wildcard? Mohammed Amit, what is regular expression and wildcard? Let me show you for wildcard. See, regular expression and wildcard, both are same. Okay, both are same. Let me show you this option. So in regular expression and in wildcard, we can work with keyword option. Amit, Mohammed, we can work with keyword option. For example, I want to block all the website. For example, I want to block all the website if they have keyword news, for example. If any website has a keyword news, anywhere in the string, anywhere, I want to block. Yes, you can select. You can go with the regular expression or you can go with wildcard. Clear my point? With a regular expression with wildcard, you can work with keyword option. See, these options are available. I'm not going with all option, but I can show you. See, ABC. Expression is what? While regular expression ABC, for example. ABC means what? The exact character sequence, but anywhere in the string. Cap ABC, what is cap ABC? ABC at the beginning of the string. For example, if anyone trying to access news247.com. So I want to block any website which is start with news or ABC dollar. So ABC at the end of the string, like 247news.com. Or you can go with A pipe B. A pipe B is what? Either A, either B. For example, either A or B. For example, if anyone trying to access news and media. You can click on OK. You can take action. Amit, clear my point? Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Regular expression. Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yes.
For regular expression, multiple options are available. I'm not going with all option. Okay, you can use as per your requirement. But my point is, in regular expression, you can work with keywords. You can work with keywords. Okay, like cap ABC, it means ABC at the beginning of the string. ABC dollar, ABC at the end of the string. So regular expression and wildcard, both options are same. Okay, you can define your keyword and you can take action. Exempt, allow, block, monitor. So in case if you want to work with any specific URL or a specific keyword in website, you can go with URL filtering. You can click on create. You can go with simple URL. See, in regular expression, you cannot type this www.google.com, for example. See, simple, we have google.com wildcard. Wait. In regular expression, we see this is the complete string for regular expression or wildcard. But my point is, if you go in simple and if you type only A, B, C, see, we are getting this error message. Amit, Mohammed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In regular expression, in wildcard, ABC or abc.com, it's a complete keyword, you can say. In regular expression, in wildcard, but in simple, see, you have to define a complete URL information like example.com or abc.com. So this is what URL filtering is. If you want to work with any specific URL filter, URL option, you can just in static URL filter and see it's the same. Like application control, if you define any URL information here, so if any traffic is going to hit onto the security profile, it will first check information in static URL filter. It will first check information here. If information is not available, then it will go and check into the category. This is the sequence. Mohammed, I mean, this is the sequence exactly.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed, clear for you?
Yes.
This is a sequence. First, it will check URL information in static URL filter. If information not available, then it will go and check into the category. Now we have other option here. See, block invalid URL. What is a block invalid URL? For example, if anyone in your inside network, if anyone trying to access any invalid URL, what is invalid URL? For example, you don't have any valid certificate. See, if I'm trying to access any website, for example, I can access this website. So I have a digital certificate. You can see I have a digital certificate, and this digital certificate is provided by DigiCert with issued and expired date, right? So we have a proper digital certificate into browser. That's why we can access. So if anyone trying to access any website with invalid certificate, for example, expired certificate, so you can just enable. If you want to block any website, any invalid URL, you can just enable this option. Block any invalid. So like if any website has expired certificate, okay, so for FortiGate, it's an invalid URL. We have other option, block malicious URL discovered by FortiSandbox. So in Fortinet, we have a dedicated product, dedicated appliance. It's called FortiSandbox. It's the same like a wildfire technology in Palo Alto. In Palo Alto, we have wildfire. So wildfire in Palo Alto, in Fortinet, it's called FortiSandbox. So these devices can only detect the information. These devices can detect malicious link, malicious information. They cannot take action. FortiSandbox, if FortiSandbox is available in your network, so it can detect zero-day attack. It can detect any new attack, but it cannot take action. For action, you need to deploy a complete firewall device. So in case if you have FortiSandbox in your network, and if FortiSandbox detect any URL as a malicious URL, okay, as per his database, if FortiSandbox will detect any URL as a malicious URL, so if you want to block, you can. So for block, you can go on firewall device. So here is the option. Here is the option, block malicious URL discovered by FortiSandbox. So what you can do, you can just enable. So in your network, if FortiSandbox will detect any URL as a malicious URL, so your firewall can block. Only you have to enable this. Content filtering. In content filtering, this is a great option. In content filtering, what you can do, see, you can click on create. In content filtering, you can work with language. See, in content filtering, you can see here we have a wildcard. It means we can work with keyword. For example, if anyone trying to use this keyword, kill, in any language, see, in any language. So the good thing with the Fortinet firewall can detect this information and can take action. Action, you can take block or accept. Clear now, this content filtering concept? Amit, Mohammed?
Sir, little doubt in this. Could you please repeat this one again? That content filtering.
In content filtering, you can work with language option. This is the good feature in Fortinet. Okay, if you have proper license, if your firewall is connected with FortiGuard server, so you can utilize this feature. For example, if anyone using any keyword, for example, if anyone using, for example, Google, in any language, here we have language option. For example, if anyone trying to access this keyword within Japanese language, so FortiGate firewall can detect this. Clear?
Okay, sir.
FortiGate firewall can detect this and can take an action. For example, if anyone trying to access this keyword SRV, so in my network, I want to allow. So you can go with accept. in any language. See, for example, in French or in Japanese, I want to block. You can select your action. You can click on OK.
Sir, I
Clear
have a
now my
question.
point? Yes, Mohammed.
Yeah, if I buy a Fortinet firewall from eBay,
Sorry.
if I buy a Fortinet firewall from eBay,
Mhm.
will you be able to use all the fixtures or no?
No, you have to contact Fortinet seller, okay? Fortinet
Okay, I guess.
salesperson. So
Okay, I
you can
got you.
buy your device from eBay, no problem.
Yeah.
But for license, you have to contact with Fortinet salesperson.
All right, okay, I got
So
you.
so
Yeah.
what they can do, they can register you this your device. They want device serial number. So they can
Okay.
register your device, your serial number with Fortinet. Okay, so you have to pay some amount to Fortinet to register your devices. Then you can buy the license. So for license, they can suggest you. Okay, for example, you want to test all information in your testing scenario, in your lab scenario, like antivirus, you want to test it, application, you want to test it. So you can buy license one by one. Application control is a
Oh,
separate license. For antivirus utilization, a separate license. For web filtering, we have a separate license. For IPS, we have a separate license. For firmware
okay.
update, we have a separate license. For example, you want only firmware update. Okay, like for example, you are working with 6.4 and you want to upgrade with 7.2. So you need firmware, right?
Yeah.
You need firmware. So for firmware update, wait, let me show you. Okay, this option is
Okay.
clear.
Yeah,
Web
it's clear.
filtering
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
concept.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you.
Let me tell you this. For firmware update, what you can do, you can click on. This is the option, firmware. Mohammed,
Yeah.
see firmware.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
before this, you have to register your box with Fortinet, and this is the option.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
For example, if you have a license for 3 years, 3-year license to upgrade your firmware or general update, you can buy and you can download. Once you download all the firmware, so you can see you can download firmware from portal. Okay, they will provide you a portal page, login, username, password. What you can do, you can create your account on Fortinet SSO. Here you can log in.
Okay. All right.
Now, this is what our, okay, once you have firmware, Mohammed, so you just click on browse. If you have firmware, for example, you are working with 6.4, you want to upgrade with 7.0, so you can upload your firmware and it will take maximum 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it will restart your firewall device. Now you can upgrade. Simple task. Only you
Okay.
need firmware.
Okay. Thank you.
Amit,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay, let's take a break for 5 minutes. Then we can discuss our next security profile, antivirus profile.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Please wait. Hello. Hi everyone. Can you hear me? Amit,
Yes, sir.
Mohammed.
Yes.
Okay, let's just start our topic now. Now, Amit, can you hear me? Mohammed, please wait for Amit, okay? 2 minutes.
Yeah, yes, okay. It's fine. Yeah, thank you. After this course, do you run NSE 5 also?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
After NSC 4, you can go for NSC 5, NSC 7. I'm taking
Okay,
batches from NSC 4 to NSC 7.
all right, okay, all right. Okay. I'm thinking to join both, yeah.
After this training, if you are looking for examination,
Yeah.
Mohammed,
Yeah.
if you're looking for,
Okay.
okay. So let's talk about our next profile option, antivirus profile. So what is antivirus profile? Wait. Wait, everyone. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about antivirus profile. So what is antivirus profile in Fortinet Firewall device? It's a common concept, everyone. It's a common concept for any next generation firewall. So, Mohammed,
Yes.
Amit,
Yes, sir.
everyone, we have a small application in our laptop. We have a small antivirus application, right?
Yeah.
We are using a small antivirus application in our laptop. So our small antivirus application can detect virus. Yes, the small antivirus application can detect virus, but here we have limited signatures. Here we have limited antivirus signature database. For example, if you are using Avast, or if you are using any other, for example, JNtech or any other, so you have your antivirus application can detect virus, but you have limited signature. For example, 5K signatures, 8K signatures you have. So it can detect and it can take action, but you have limited signatures. That is the issue.
Okay.
With your small antivirus software, you have limited signatures. So same type of signatures are available in Fortinet, same type of signatures, but here we have big database. Database is big, Amit, Mohammed, okay? For
Yes, sir.
example, here we have approx 1,20,000 signatures, 1,50,000 signatures. It means your firewall can detect various attacks, can detect various malware, can detect various viruses. So it's about database. Okay, if you have up-to-date signature, if you have up-to-date antivirus signature database, so yes, your firewall can detect latest viruses, latest malware, latest spyware. So how to create antivirus profile? It's a very simple task. But if you want to utilize your antivirus profile in your organization, so first you have to buy antivirus license first. You have to download all latest signature update. If you have up-to-date signature, if you have license, then what you can do? You can create your profile. I told you how to create profile. It's a very simple task. But how to utilize, it's depend upon your signature database. See, you can click on FortiGuard, and here you can buy antivirus license. First, you can buy antivirus license to detect latest viruses information. After that, you can set a schedule time. For example, I want to download latest signature after every 1 hour from FortiGuard server. Okay, so you can set a schedule time. If you have up-to-date signatures, then yes, you can go on your security profile. Security profile. You can click on antivirus. So here we have a default antivirus profile. Default antivirus profile with default action. In case if you want to create your own, so you can click on create. Click on create. You can give a name, for example, for HR team 2. Now you can take an action if virus detect behalf of your antivirus signature database. If virus detect, then what you want to do? You have two options. You can go with block or you can go with monitor option. Block means what? It's like a IPS, intrusion prevention system. Once it will detect the virus, try to block it. Monitor means what? I'm using as a IDS mode, okay? If inside machine is trying to download any virus, something, no problem. Inside machine can download, but we are monitoring. Your Fortinet Firewall box will detect virus behalf of antivirus signature database. It can detect and now you are monitoring. You are getting log message. So either you can go with block option to block once your firewall will detect virus, it can take an action, or you can go with the monitor option. Here we have protocol decoders, or you can say inspected protocol. So these are the protocols. If anyone trying to download virus file through HTTP connection, if you want to detect, you can enable this option. This is called inspected protocol. So my point is, if anyone trying to download virus through HTTP, I want to block, you can enable. I want to inspect, you can enable. If anyone trying to download virus through SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, through POP3, through IMAP, through FTPs, through CIFS, you can enable all the options. You can click on OK. So if anyone trying to download virus through these protocols, you can take an action block. But you can see everyone here, there is no any option available for HTTPS connection, right, Mohammed, Amit?
Yes, sir.
If inside, this is the drawback, you can say everyone, this is the drawback of antivirus profile. And same option is available in Palo Alto. Same option is available in Cisco Firepower. You can inspect HTTP protocol. You cannot inspect HTTPS. See, this is the drawback of antivirus profile. If anyone, if anyone trying to download virus through HTTPS connection, you have up-to-date signature, but your antivirus profile cannot detect. You have up-to-date signature, but your antivirus profile cannot detect. Clear my point, everyone? Muhammad,
Is it
Amit?
Palo Alto the same?
Yes, it's the same option. In Palo Alto, we have same option. There is no option for HTTP in antivirus profile, in profile configuration. Clear?
Okay.
Amit,
Yeah.
Muhammad, in
Yes, sir.
profile configuration, you cannot see, you don't have any option. You can see if anyone trying to download virus file through HTTP, yes, you can take action. So what you can do, you can create your profile. No problem. You can create your profile. But into this profile, see, if anyone trying to access virus file through HTTP, your antivirus profile can detect behalf of antivirus signature database. But in case if anyone trying to access through HTTPS, then what you can do? If anyone trying to access HTTPS, so what you can do, you can enable your antivirus, you can add your antivirus, and here you can enable again what? Deep inspection. So like application control, if you are adding antivirus profile with any firewall policy, so you have to enable SSL inspection. You have to enable deep inspection feature. Clear now my point, Mohammed, Amit?
Yeah. Yes.
Amit, you have to enable deep inspection.
Yes, sir.
Deep inspection feature if you are adding antivirus profile or if you are adding application control profile into your policy. So you have to enable deep inspection. You can click on OK. In real scenario, if you want to test it, for example, you have up-to-date signature, you can create your profile, you can attach your profile with your policy. In real scenario, if you want to test it, so what you can do? you can open some website, for example, eicr.org. Any idea about this website, this URL, Amit, Mohammed?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, for testing.
You can,
It has a virus there.
sorry, Mohammed?
It has a virus there. You can test it, is it?
Yes, this website, see, most of the administrators, they are using this website to for testing purpose, okay? For testing purpose. So you can open this website, eicr.org, or you can open wicar.org. So my point is, if you have up-to-date signature, on your firewall device, you have a security profile. Okay, this security profile you are adding in with your policy. You are adding with your policy. Now, what you can do, you can go onto your inside machine and you can initiate your traffic. So from inside machine, I can open this website and I can click on here. I can click on this download anti-malware test file. And from this website, you can download virus. See? So for testing, you can use this website. I'm here. These are virus, everyone. These are malware file. If you want to crash anyone machine, if you want to crash your friend machine, no problem. Open this website, download these files, and just execute it. Just run it. Done. So these are latest virus, malware, you can say. Mohammed, Amit.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not downloading, okay, but in real scenario, you can try, because you need to, if you want to verify your antivirus profile or your antivirus signature database is detecting latest virus or not, for testing, you can use this website, eicr.org or wicar.org. These websites we are using for testing to download virus. Clear this antivirus profile discussion, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are what? These are profiles. These are security profile, web filtering, application control, antivirus, and file filter. File filter concept. In case if you are looking for IPS, intrusion prevention. So for IPS, I already shared with you a slide. Okay, we are not discussing about IPS, but I have a slide. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this slide is already shared with you. Please check on your Google Drive. So you can go with intrusion prevention system option. Amit.
Okay, sir.
You can guys, you can go with this PDF file. In case if you face any issue, so you can discuss with me in next class. You can discuss
Okay,
with
sir.
me.
Okay, all right.
But I'm not discussing this option in our training.
Yeah,
but
okay,
this slide is available, okay, for you.
Okay, all right.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this is what our security profile. So this section is complete. This section is complete. Now we can move for. We can move for this section, chapter number 8 to chapter number 14.
Okay.
Into this section, we can start our topic. Can we? Okay. Can we start VPN concept first?
Yeah,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. Anyone,
Yes, sir.
anyone, any.
Let's start. Okay, not today. Okay, we'll start our VPN section from next class. Okay.
Okay, all right.
And I'm sharing one basic video for VPN. Before start this IPsec VPN and SSL VPN implementation on Fortinet, try to watch a basic VPN video. I'm sharing, okay? I'm sharing after this session. I'm sharing in our WhatsApp group. I'm sharing a video. So try to watch the video, okay? Basic VPN. What is VPN? Why we are using? What is IPsec? What is phase 1, phase 2, encryption, hashing, Diffie-Hellman? You can get a basic idea, okay? After that, we can try to implement. Only these two topics. Only these two topics will take minimum 4 to 5 hours. Only these two topics.
All right.
Amit, can we start this VPN discussion?
Yes, sir.
In next class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's continue our topic in next class, everyone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye, guys. Take care, everyone.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.